I hope are all you okay. So welcome all to my juvenile knowledge channel. I again present my today's session. My today's session's topic is Indian Constitution parts by trick method. So start my today's session. Please watch my video completely. Don't miss important data. Firstly, I discuss number of the parts of the Indian Constitution. Original Constitution has 22 parts, but present it has 25 parts. I discuss first 22 parts by trick method. So start. Trick is you can fly directly from US to UP. Meet Sam and Ram. Fruit taste sweet to eat, so on. Eat Maggie as tasty snack. First part. U for Union and its territory. Article 1 to 4. Second part. Can for citizenship. Article 5 to 11. Third part. Fly for fundamental rights. Article 12 to 35. Fourth part. Directly for DPSP. Article 36 to 51. 4 subpart 4A. From for fundamental duties. Article 51A. 5 part U for union government. Article 52 to 151. 6 part S for state government. Article 152 to 237. Part 7. 2. This part was deleted by the 7th Amendment Act 1956. Part 8. U denotes Union territory. Article 239 to 242. Part 9A. P denotes Panchayat. Article 243A to 243O. Part 9B. Meet denotes municipalities. Article 243P to 243ZG. Part 10. SAM denotes schedule and tribal area. Article 244 to 244A. Part 11. RAM denotes relation between union and states. Article 245 to 263. Next part 12. Fruit denotes finance, property and contracts. Article 264 to 300A. Next part 13. Taste denotes trade and commerce. Article 301 to 307. Next part 14. Sweet denotes services under union and its states. Article 308 to 323. Next part 14th subdivision 14th A. 2 denotes tribunals. Article 323A to 323B. Next part 15. It denotes election. Article 324 to 329A. Next part 16. So denotes special provisions relating to certain classes. Article 330 to 342. Next part 17. On denotes official languages. Article 343 to 351. Next part 18. It denotes emergency provision. Article 352 to 360. Next part 19. Maggie denotes miscellaneous. Article 361 to Article 367. Next part 20. As denotes amendment of the Indian Constitution. Article 368. Next part 21. Testy denotes temporary, transitional and special provisions. Article 369 to 392. Next, last part 22. Snack denotes short title, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi and repeals. Article 393 to 395. It is very easy trick to remember parts of the Indian Constitution. Next, I discuss how 3 parts are added to the Indian Constitution. Because presently Indian Constitution parts number 25. Original Constitution has 22 part. First 1956 7 number part is removed. Available part number is 21. Next 42 Constitution Amendment 1976 2 parts are added. 4A fundamental duty and 14A tribunals. Available part number is 23. Next 74 Constitution Amendment 1992 1 part is added. 9A municipality. Available part number is 24. Next 97 Constitution Amendment 2011 1 part is added. 9B cooperative society. Finally 25 part is available to our Indian Constitution. So it is my today's session. Those are the important data from parts of the Indian Constitution. If like my video, please like and share. Someone new my channel, please subscribe to get next class notification. So end my today's session.